Hello. Now, I'm sure most of you have seen this video floating around about these dinosaur noises and how scientists have figured out what they sound like. Now, I don't know about you, but when I heard that, I thought one thing: drum in fucking bass. So, without further ado, let's get fucking into it. Starting off with some slicing. Sounds sick. Then we go ahead and put an obnoxious amount of effects on it. Nice, well doesn't that sound like shit? But if there's one thing that can fix shit, it is bass. Lots of bass. Then, with some help of my personal long-time friend in real life, David, I made an intro.
This is the enormous skull of Tyrannosaurus rex, many times bigger than mine. And these are the...
And well, that's pretty much it. Video's short, but I had a lot of fun making it. So here you go, enjoy the final result.
This is the enormous skull of Tyrannosaurus rex, many times bigger than mine. And these are the...